I'm going to do my first unpacking video. God. I'm going to open up our new Osmo 3 combo.
So
like literally
how do you usually do these things?
I'm gonna open it now. Oh boy. All right. I love opening things. I don't know what's inside. It's an exciting. Well, I do know what's inside, but it's taking off the wrapping. I love taking off the wrapping. I don't know why I love it so much. Okay, here we go. Cute little carrying case. Okay, so we had an Osmo 2 before, and it sadly didn't make it through a wedding, so I like the case. This is gonna be our new toy. Okay. Exactly as on the box. Good. This is witchcraft. No, actually, though. Ah! There's things in here I don't understand. Yes, I read all the instructions first. This didn't come with instructions. Oh no, this is the carry case. Oh, and it comes with a tripod. Okay, that's one thing that our other one didn't have. Super sweet. I don't know what that is. Shh. Oh, it's kind of like Old Faithful. Pretty much the same. I found the instructions. All it says is camera angle here. Schmancy. All right. So one thing that we didn't like about our old one, I really have no idea if this is spinning on here. Stand by. One thing that we didn't like about our old one was, hey guys, you wanna go shoot a vlog? Get her out here. Sliding. Biggest difference. Our new one folds into a little, I don't know how I did it though. Oh, that's the instruction. Yeah, so it's pretty straightforward. You just bend it. No, you don't. Oh my gosh. Ben's never gonna let me touch this again after watching this. It doesn't fit. This is gonna be painful to watch. The funny thing about opening stuff is that you can't redo the video once it's opened. Nah. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, so it's just, oh my goodness. You can't use any of this footage. Now I'm nervous because I'm seriously scared I'm gonna break it. Okay. It just has to tuck in behind. There we go. No, it's still not right, but that's alright. Well, now I'm at a loss. Okay. Let's actually just compare the two now that I've... Okay, very similar. This is actually lighter. I think this is actually going to be more durable than our old one. Believe it or not, considering I just bent it in every wrong way possible. Okay, but now I want to put a camera on here and get her going, so okay. Well, first and foremost, I don't know why I'm doing this. I should sub in Ben because he usually just hands it to me when it's all ready to go.
You're gonna download an app.
Oh, I don't have it on this phone yet. Oh.
Just put it in there so that fits. Did you read any of the instructions? No.
They're all right here.
And you still didn't read them?
There's pictures and there's Japanese. Like there is no instructions. No, press and hold the record button is literally what it says. And the M button simultaneously. For 1 second to forget. The Bluetooth audio? I don't need to forget it. I need to know how to set it up, no? This one came with instructions, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, negative. All right, played around with the Osmo. We were able to get it working. It does not use the same app as our old one, so that was a bit of a struggle to figure out. It has benefits. It seems easier to use. The app's actually quite a bit nicer to use. The only thing I might not love though is the one thing I was most excited about was the case. It's pretty tight.
Too tight, doesn't really fit the
It doesn't fit. And
Jen discovered there's some, I don't know if you can see, these little marks.
Yeah.
And you line them up, and you line them up on the side.
Way easier to figure out.
So this
to
will
close.
lock, then you can fold to close it.
Not like how I
Make sure
struggled.
this is lined up, and it should all go home nicely. So if you've never had one, try and follow the box.
There are no instructions.
There is 0.
Once you download the app, it shows you. But at that point, it's almost too late if you don't know how to open it and we still have no idea
Still
what these
have
are.
no idea. Some sort of bumpers.
Ooh, did they go?
No, that's where your phone's gonna go.
Wait, look.
Grippers.
Right like this. Oh, they fit right in there.
I like that they have an extra groove and space though, because like before when I had it in the other one, it was really good at locking the phone.
Yeah.
It was a pain if you had to shift it.
If you had to move it.
But it always hit the volume buttons or the screen lock button on my phone.
Can I try putting one of these like in there?
Do you want me to tilt it, hold it? What do you want?
Okay.
Does that fit the shape?
Did you just think of that game when you were a kid?
That's exactly what I was thinking. This is why we practiced that game as a kid. On top here, there's like this other
screw.
I'm gonna pull out just in case.
Think it's for a lens?
I think it's actually for like a balance weight. You can screw in like a weight to help counterbalance the camera.
Smart.
I think the thing's gonna be pretty sweet.
Yeah,
it's nice that you give me this. It's probably the most expensive carrying case.
Gripper.
Yeah, it's got a decent grip on it.
Our other one had nothing.
We'll see how that works in like heat though.
I just realized too, this is shorter.
Yeah.
It is more like...
The handle is shorter, it's definitely more compact. I do like this one.
I do too. I'm stoked to play around with it too actually though.
As far as DJI products go, yeah, it was kind of confusing because there's no indication that you need a new app altogether. So there you have it, that's our DJI, Jen's DJI unboxing and our DJI Osmo 3 recap. Ciao!